Yeah.
Welcome to Cooking with Vinayak. Today we have Arnav and who are you people?
Hey, Arnav.
Oh, I really hope Faisal doesn't show up.
Hey!
Is this what I think it is?
Yes, it is. It's Thanksgiving, and we're all here.
Okay, so today, what are we making?
Oh, we're gonna make Indian style Jets pizza.
Okay, so we are from the country of India. If you do not know it, it is in the continent of Africa.
Many brown people.
Very brown people, exactly. So what I'm going to say, so we're going to make something I like to call masala on crust. Okay, so we have. Do you want to say the?
This is enlightened, the good for you.
Like Buddha.
Like
Yes.
Buddha.
Very good
100
for the
calories, 3 grams fiber, 7 grams protein,
Very good,
low
very
fat,
good.
mesquite, barbecue, roasted, bread, beans. Go ahead, spill the beans.
We have Nature Valley sweet and salty nut. Not too sweet, but not too salty. So, I don't know. Let's start.
Hey, baby.
What do you want?
Oh wait, no, I'll take that. Sorry.
So first, we are going to open it. Opening it is actually very hard. So what you're going to do is you're going to try to rip it.
Accidents happen in the kitchen. In
As
this
always.
case, a living room, but we still consider it a kitchen.
So,
So
Very
Pritish,
professional.
our good man, will do a good duty of eating it off the.
and actually, what the floor, it's actually a good thing it's on the floor because the floor adds carpet flavoring to it. It makes it, what do you
Very
call it?
healthy.
Healthy, crispy, whatever you want it to be.
Especially with colored
Peaky.
carpet. Each color shows different vegetable on the
Okay,
spectrum.
Yeah, so you have your Nature Valley bar.
every bite.
Yes. So you have your Nature Valley bar, and you throw it on the ground to add some carpet flavor.
Carpet flavor. It's actually carpet flavor actually originates from the spices garlic powder and onion powder. So now here's what I'm going to do. I also didn't show this. I have water. Okay. So now we have a little water. What I want to
like what?
That's
that
soda.
it's soda water in India. Soda is water, right?
Soda water.
What you're going to do?
Drink
you're
it.
going to drink
Drink
it.
it.
You're going to crumble it in the soda.
Oh, taste.
Then add some of the
And now-
nutrients.
Now what you're going to do is shake it. Okay.
Like you shake it.
Like you shake it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put it in here. Okay. Ready? Hello.
Remember
So
this
your
motto
other
while
one
you're
he drops
cooking.
it and-
Agile, deep. What's the other one?
Oh, big.
Big.
When I
Agile,
said-
deep, and big.
When I-
Always remember this while you are cooking.
Big is most important.
No,
When I-
agile is pretty important.
Vinayak
No,
Suru,
deep.
Chandigarh, Sector 17.
Oh, that's amazing.
Look at the beauty of the surface.
Basically, this is our dough, and then the cracker is in there, or like the cheese. So, I don't know, what do we do next?
Put the
Mix
wrapper
it.
in there.
Put the wrapper in, and now
Other wrapper.
other wrapper. Don't forget it. If you want, you
And spill. Right there.
if you want, you can put the glass in there. That also adds flavor. It will not burn, I promise. I hope. Anyway, so
Alright.
so we have ice cubes. Now they're not what you think. They're not actually ice cubes. They're actually ice cubes. So anyway, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour it. And now here's what we're gonna do. Arnav, what do you want to do now? We have this mixture.
So we're lacking a spoon right now, so Vinayak, can you use your hand?
Okay, I will use my hand. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my ice cube and mix it. I am mixing the mixture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 50 hours, in the freezer for 70 hours. Then you are going to put it in the oven. Is that correct?
Yes.
What degree
69
temperature?
hours.
What degree temperature?
1,000
Right, you know?
Celsius.
69 degrees Celsius.
Yes, that is precise.
69 degrees Celsius, or I like to call this 2000 degree Fahrenheit.
Okay,
So the point was to burn the house down. And okay, so once you are done putting it in the oven for 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you don't have like a very hot oven, 1900 Fahrenheit, if you do have the very 1900, you can add fire to it, or like I like to call it lava. You can get the lava. After that, I already made it. And Billy boy, can you get me the pizza? Billy boy is my Billy, so
Smell the beautiful odor.
okay. And I know what you're thinking. In may say jets, but in India this says masala on crust.
You can see the succulent pizza. Very succulent.
nice.
Suck you.
Look it up on Arvin dictionary. I believe it means very good.
Suck you.
Good. So now we have this finished pizza, and it looks just like a normal pizza. And look at it. You get this pizza for one burnt house. How good is that?
Yeah.
What a
totally
beautiful
worth it.
deal.
Take it.
How about
I don't want.
Mahatma Gandhi?
Hey, you know what?
grandson?
I
I don't want.
He's watching his cholesterol. Look at him right now.
So people will be asking me, why did we make this recipe? Let me tell you, for you vegan lovers, you don't see any cheese, right? It's Thanksgiving. Now many people will ask, why are we eating pizza on Thanksgiving, huh?
Because it's thankful.
It is thankful. We are grateful. We don't want no turkey, macaroni, and cheds or collard greens. We want pizza. Thank you very much. Vinayak Swaroop, Chandigarh, Sector 17. May all be happy. May all be healthy. May none suffer. Om Tat Sat.
Rock on, guys.